This is Cindy and Cassie from Essential Therapies, and it is April 3rd, and it's the third day of our April Fascia Self-Care Challenge, where we asked you to pick one or two positions that you want to work on this month every day. I know it's a little bit different life we've all had right now, so some of you have a little bit more time, some of you don't have more time, so we get that too, thanks to all the healthcare workers out there for helping everything out. And today we have Kizzy in the picture here with us. Sometimes we have kitties, and today we have a horse and some goats. They're laying down back there, and mini horses. Anyway, Cassie is going to work on opening her shoulders, the front of her shoulders, and her chest this month. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. So what we noticed is that her, she's like this a lot, and a lot of us are like this right now. Some of you more so than others. We're all doing, more social media and computers than normal. So really be aware of this posture up here. I thought everybody could benefit from this little instruction. So what we're going to look at is how well Cassie can open up her chest, bring her shoulder blades back and down, and bring the hands together with the elbows straight like this. Okay, and boy, I really feel that across this whole area. I need this one too. So show us, Cassie, what you can do. So as look at how her palms of her hand cannot come together, okay? What if I say, do whatever you can to make your palms come together? What do you have to do? Go ahead and bend your elbows if you need to. So to keep her palms together, she has to bend her elbows because she's so tight here in the front. So turn sideways. So even if I ask her to open the shoulders, you feel that there, don't you? They're tight. So what we're gonna do is have her practice this, but using a little support, okay? So put your hands behind. We're right here using the horse lead. You're gonna grab onto this. It's the first time she's done it this way. So what you're gonna do, she's gonna hold this, and then she can straighten her arm because it gives her a little bit more, instead of grasping her hands, she's got some space. So make your hands come a little bit further apart if you need to. There you go. Now is that easier to pull your arm back, your shoulders back?
Yeah.
And to straighten your elbows? Kizzy wants to get more in the picture. So she can open her chest and lift your head.
No, buddy.
That's okay. Come around the other way. And now the other thing she's gonna do is lift your hands away from your body. And this, where do you feel that? Even more here?
Yeah.
Yeah. So she's gonna hold this as long as she can, hopefully working up to 5 minutes, and you wanna hold or make sure your breath is long and steady and continual, definitely not holding your breath, okay? And as she holds this position longer, she will get into releasing the fascia and the collagenous portion of the fascia, which requires a good 5 minutes to get going. Hello there. But there are also elastic components there too that can stretch in a shorter amount of time. So if she doesn't do this at all during the day, it's just going to get tighter and tighter. So if she does this a little bit every day, even if she doesn't hold it 5 minutes, she's going to make some progress. And to a point she's going to be able to hold her hands a little bit closer and then gradually be able to bring her palms together, okay? So go ahead and release this. Let's just also do the range of motion exercise that we noticed. This is how I actually noticed where she was really losing some motion in her shoulder, is bringing the arm up. Let's do it together. Up and then out, and trying to keep the body forward so you're not going back like this, trying to get that motion in the shoulder. Actually, that's better than it was a little bit ago, isn't it? Yeah, it is. And then around. So you can do a few of these first. To the other side. And then you can just work on holding the hands behind, even if your palms come away from each other. And if you can't even get your hands towards each other to hang on to this, make sure you use, oh Kizzy, make sure you use a support. So you can even bring it back this way and then try to bring it away from your body. That's it, just super simple. So that is one of the positions that we actually both are working on this month. So let us know if you want to join us. We're gonna have the list going here for the next few days, and let's do something every day to help our range of motion.